Okay, now in this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create some more of this detail here. We're going to get this main area here, and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you notice, so we'll go ahead and we'll create this bottom piece here. Let's go ahead and do that. First thing, let's go to Vertex. Let's highlight these verts and bring them down a little bit wider. And then we're going to highlight all these verts here. Just bring it up. Okay. And we're going to go to face mode. And we're going to take these faces and extrude it. I'll just use this here. Hit G to extrude. Control U rather. We're going to extrude it down and up. Okay, this is probably quite a bit wider, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Vertex and highlight these. Bring it down. Actually, these are wider. Right about there. Okay. We're going to go to Face. Grab this and we're going to hit Control E. I'm going to scale in. And go ahead and bring this in a little. Control E again. Go ahead and kick that in. That'll be good. Alright. Let's go ahead and look at the object mode. Now we'll go to Mesh Tools, Insert Edge Loop. Right there. And let's put one up here. Alright. Check out how that looks. I'm hitting 3 for that. Looks cool. Okay, I like that. It looks nice. Hit 1. Go to Vertex here. Grab these, a couple of these. Bring them up a little bit. Right there, okay. And let's go ahead and put in some of those details. So what we'll do here is we're going to go ahead and take a separate cube. Go ahead and shrink it so it fits in here. Alright. Okay, that's kind of cool. Looks good. Let's go to Vertex. It looks like it fills up most of the inside here. And some of this part. There. Alright. We'll kind of get this thing going on here. So what we'll do is we'll go to Mesh Tools, Insert Edge Loop. Actually, let's do this. Mesh Tools, Offset Edge Loop. No, let's not do that. Let's see this. Multiple edge loops. Let's do a bunch. That's my Steam notifications. Let's do about 8. Alright, let's go this way. Whoa. Let's not do 8 there. Let's do about 4. Beautiful. Okay, that's a nice tool actually. That's something that I don't use too often. So it's a really useful tool when you have a need for one. Okay, and then what we're going to do is this. We're going to face. I'm going to do this here, 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 here. I'm going to kind of create these little areas here. I'm just going to kind of do my own thing. I'm not going to do it exactly like that. Hit Control E. Go ahead and scale them down and down. Let's go ahead and bring them down. Scale a little flatter. And then we're going to Control E again. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring it out. Okay. Something like that. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and go Insert Edge Loop. Whoa. We have to go to Insert Edge Loop now, and we have to reset the tool. Okay. That's important. So we only get one. Otherwise, you know, not looking good. And let's go ahead and do this. This is the annoying part. That's okay. All right. Let's put one there, put one there. There, and there. Hit 3. Hit 1. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's pretty much what we want to go for. It's, you know, there's more of them on this one, but that's fine. Now we'll go ahead and create kind of a cool little piece here. So what we could do is we could bring this thing out. We could always create, you know, a couple more of these if we want. Control E, scale it in, scale it down. Alright, this is getting a little weird. Okay, take your scale tool and scale it down to about there. Control E again. Take your move tool and bring it out. Okay, mesh tools, insert edge loop tool. Put there, there. Basically, kind of go through the same type of process. There's probably better ways of doing this, but you know, this will be fine. Okay, this looks kind of cool. I like it. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go to face. And let's grab this at Control. Actually, we'll keep that. Control E. Bring that down. And then Control E. We'll go ahead and do that. Actually, I'm going to undo that real quick. There's something I want to do first. Hit Control E. We're going to go ahead and scale it a little bit here. Now we're going to hit Control E again. We're going to bring it out. Control E. We're going to scale it again. Bring it out just a bit so it's not overlapping. And now Control E. And bring it out a little bit. That's what we want. Okay, very nice. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to go under here. we're going to go hit Control E, bring it down, and then Control E. We're going to go ahead and bring this down and across like this. Okay. Mesh tools, insert edge loop. Okay, just hit. I'm going to just go ahead and hit F on this thing, so I'm a little more focused. Hit F. There we go. Now we're in business. Okay. Do the same down here. And this part narrows in, so we're going to go to Vertex. We're going to highlight all these verts. And we're going to go ahead and narrow it in. Let's see. How's that look? Looks pretty good. I like it. That's a nice little detail. Nothing crazy, but you know, something kind of cool. What else can we do real quick? We'll start this thing. Let's go ahead and put 90 here. And what I'll do is I'll go to back view. And I'm going to orient it so it kind of fits in here. All right, right there. All right, good, good, good. I'm going to go to face mode, or vertex mode rather. I'm going to highlight these and just kind of push it in there. I'm going to take these and I'm going to bring them out. Sure, that's good. So then I'll go to face mode. I'll take my paintbrush tool. Okay, now I'll Control E. And I'm going to go ahead and bring it. I'm going to scale it out. Hit Control E. There's two there. Hit Control E. And then hit Control, oops. And then hit Control E again. It's a little bit too big, so we're just going to scale it down a little. Okay. We're kind of getting those details. We're going to put that in later. All right, so I think I'll stop here for right now. So we just basically built this piece. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and add a material. I think it's maybe 0.3. Looks neat. All right, so this is looking pretty good. Okay, we're just going to actually go ahead and delete that for now. All right, and let's stop here, and we'll go ahead and continue next time.